What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm pretty excited. We have a brand new product. Actually, I was really excited for this since last week when Apple announced that they were gonna have a 15-inch MacBook Air. I was kind of sad that they had removed a 15-inch model from their lineup. So, you know, we have MacBook Pros and MacBook Airs. The MacBook Airs were at 13-inch. That was kind of standard. We always had a 13-inch MacBook Air. That was kind of like the medium, the in-between. And then we had the MacBook Pros, and the MacBook Pros had the opportunity to offer you either 13-inch or 15-inch, and that was the older model. So now they revamped the MacBook Pros and they gave you 14-inch and 16-inch. For a lot of people, 16-inch might be a little too big, and some people, you know, they wanted a little bit more than 13, so 14-inch was good. And I think they gave us like new sizes just to kind of accommodate newcomers and new consumers. 14 and 16-inch seemed a little weird to me. I had the MacBook Pro M2 Pro 14-inch, and I gotta say, I liked it. The computer is great. The machine is fantastic, super powerful, but I just was kind of a little weirded out by the size, didn't really like it. And the 16-inch is just a little too big for me, so I think this might meet me in the middle, and that's why I'm super excited about it today. We're gonna have a little unboxing. So MacBook Air 15-inch. Just picked it up at Apple today, actually, and here we go. Take it out of the box. There we go. I'm actually pretty excited about this 15-inch MacBook Air as it's awesome. I don't know. I find like 15-inch might be the sweet spot. So as you guys know, with Apple products, the unboxing experience is relatively simple. Nowadays, it's kind of like the same thing. They have this pull tab system, which is kind of cool. I think it's pretty satisfying to pull these tabs off. Usually, I think a lot of people enjoy doing this. So yeah, this is my experience of it. This is actually the model with 8 gigabytes and 256 SSD. This is the baseline. I think personally you guys should upgrade. Now pick this up just to have a performance test, and I'll see how it performs, but I might actually upgrade to the 16-inch. Not 16-inch, but 16 gigabytes of RAM. I might upgrade to that one, and I will give you guys an update if I do so, because I was thinking about it and I was like, you know what, I've been meaning to get a 15-inch laptop, and this is kind of like the sweet spot. Without any further ado, you guys want to see the laptop, so let's open it. I go that unboxing experience is always so satisfying. And there we go, baby. 15-inch MacBook Air. Oh, I already love it. Oh, I already love it. This is great. So yeah, in the box, there we go. We have the MacBook here. It is pretty thin. It's pretty thin and it's kind of light. It's also a little heavy though. Keep in mind, it is a 15-inch. It's a little, I don't know. I don't know if it's light or heavy or super light or I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna open it in a second. I just want to show you guys really quickly. Inside, you obviously have a matching MagSafe cable, which I kind of like MagSafe. I'm glad they brought it back, Starlight. The cable itself is braided and it is close to white. It's almost white. It is in this very, very light Starlight color. Obviously, the little plug here is Starlight. That does match the champagne color of the actual MacBook. And other than that, in the box, you know, pretty simple, pretty standard. We have instruction manuals and all that stuff. We do have stickers. Let me check the stickers really quickly if I can find them, if they're quick to access. There we go. Oh, we have nice color matching stickers, which is nice. And I definitely do have to admit that this is the first time I noticed a thick paper like this. This definitely feels like it's recyclable. Definitely feels like it's made out of different materials. But yes, there you go. We have some color matching stickers. Pretty cool. Some people care about this. Some people don't. I think it's kind of cool. You know, color matching stickers. It's the least they can do. I mean, you buy an expensive machine like this. I mean, come on. You can at least give me some color matching stickers. And then we have the good old, if I can get this out of here, actually. There we go. We have the good old 2 ports USB-C, actually. This is pretty nice. So it's the 2-port USB-C 35-watt charger, which I think it's really cool. This is the standard for MacBook Air, which I actually really like. And yeah, this is really cool. You can charge your MacBook and your phone at the same time if you have 2 chargers, so that's great. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so la pièce de résistance. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, the 15-inch MacBook Air in Starlight. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I like this. Oh, this is so sick. I like it. Fuck, man. Damn, this is a nice laptop. Let me just put this out of the way. This is one nice laptop. Woo! Oh, 15-inch is like the sweet spot. So there we go, guys. As per usual, that's the classic Apple experience. You know, you open this up, you have this nice mesh. Kind of like very thin paper to protect the screen, obviously. And there we go. It feels really nice to have a 15-inch laptop. Oh, this is so sick. Oh. Yeah, I am totally fanboying at the moment. I absolutely love this. This is so sick. What? This is so nice. Yeah, this is awesome, man. It's about damn time they give us a 15-inch model, man. Oh, that is sick. I really do like that, actually. That is really nice. This is a nice MacBook. I won't lie to you guys, it's a really nice MacBook. It's just really nice, isn't it? Whoa, that's like the fastest touch ID I've ever done in my life. That was insanely fast. Oh. So there we go, guys. We're fully set up into the MacBook Air 15-inch. I really like this MacBook Air. I think the size is absolutely perfect in my opinion. I think the 15-inch is really the sweet spot. And I do have a 13-inch MacBook Pro. That was the laptop that I used for the better part of the last couple of years. I think it's been really like 6-7 years now. So I've had that laptop for a long time. Still an Intel Core based laptop. It's one of the first generations of the MacBook Pro actually with a 13-inch Retina display. But yes, this is definitely a nice upgrade for anybody. Honestly, MacBook Air is the most popular model at Apple. This is the most sold laptop ever. They sell millions of MacBook Airs, and I really do think that this specific model is going to grow in popularity. I think a lot of people are really going to jump on the gun, and they're going to really love the form factor and just the overall build of it. Now, here's a quick look at it. The keyboard is really nice. It's super smooth and very nice to type on. It's obviously the same as the last one. So for the most part, it's really easy to say, you know what, is the exact same thing as the last one. Yes, it is, but at the same time, you're also getting a bigger display, bigger form factor, which definitely makes it feel like you're using a different laptop in some way. I know some people might disagree with that, but the build quality is really cool. The things that I've noticed specifically is that trackpad is bigger on this one than on the 13-inch. So that was something that was interesting for you, if that's something that you were actually looking forward to, that was a criteria you wanted in terms of purchasing a new computer, then this is definitely the one for you. It has a larger trackpad. One thing I've noticed though is that here we're used to seeing on the side with bigger laptops. So on the MacBook Pro 16-inch, you have the speaker grill cut out here on the side of the keyboard, but you don't have it on the MacBook Air. And I think it's really nice because now instead of having 4 big speakers, they have 6, and they're spread all throughout the front of the MacBook. And so that gives this really nice clean finish on the side, and I think it looks really good. The overall screen is really nice. It gets super bright. I know this is like completely irrelevant. It makes no difference, it has no importance whatsoever, but the overall laptop just feels really nice. I do feel like it's kind of unusual for Apple to have like this is the first time that they have a 15-inch MacBook Air, but I do say, I really will admit that I actually really love it. I think it's great. Overall, other than that, there's not major changes. So this is the champagne color, the Starlight. I do think that this is the way to go. This is the nicer colorway out of all of them. You do have 2 USB-C Thunderbolt ports, and then you have the MagSafe charger, and on the other side you have the high impedance headphone jack, and that's about it. You know, very simple. I love the fact that this MacBook is super simple. It gets the job done. It gets straight to the point. It's like, you know what, we have a MacBook Pro. It gets straight to the point. We have a MacBook Air. Here's what it comes with. This is what you're gonna get. You know, what you see is what you get, and I really love the whole experience. And as I'm using this more and more, as I'm opening it, I'm really getting used to the 15-inch form factor. To be honest, this is like, to me, this is like the perfect form factor. I think this is awesome. So yeah, the one thing I do have to say that I wish they kind of did is they had an adaptive refresh rate, and I'm not saying that they should have given us 120 hertz like on the MacBook Pro models, but maybe up to 90 hertz would have been great. You know, like a feature that it comes with the laptop and you can enable it. Sure, it would have drained a little bit more battery, but then again, it would have been a nice touch to have since they have a nice powerful machine like this. Speaking of battery, 18-hour battery life, which is great. I think this is going to be amazing for most people. A lot of people are going to get by just fine with 18 hours. And I think that's about it. I don't think there's any more things for me to cover on the MacBook Air. What I do really want to know is if you guys are going to be picking this up. If you are picking up the MacBook Air 15-inch, let me know which colorway you're going to get, and let me know what kind of specs you're going to go for. This is the baseline model. I really picked it up just because I wanted to test it out. I know that the other model, the 13-inch model MacBook Air with the M2, that was launched last summer, I think. So it's already been a year since this model was out, but the last model had a bit of issues in terms of the M2 running with 8 gigs of RAM, and I wanted to test it out if it's going to have the same issues with this one. So I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you posted. Stick around if you want to find out. But yeah, I'd say that my recommendations would definitely be 16 gigs of RAM. If you're a baller, go for 24 gigs of RAM. That's going to last you a long time. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Let me know if you're going to pick it up. Again, let me know what colorway you're going to pick up. And yeah, are you excited for 15-inch MacBook Air? I think this might be the laptop of the year. I think it's great. Form factor is amazing. So let me know in the comment section down below. You guys know I love to get a conversation started down there. And as always, make sure you stick around. I'm going to be leaving on vacation as you see this video. I'm leaving literally in 3 days. I'm going on a Europe trip. I'm going to Italy for 3 weeks, and I'm super excited. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait. I'm going to have some videos on that. I'm going to have a What's in My Tech Travel Backpack Europe edition coming really soon. I know I had a video at the beginning of this year and you guys really loved it, so I'm gonna have a new one updated with a lot more new tech, a lot more stuff. So yeah, stick around. That's gonna be coming soon. As always, guys, I wish you the best of luck in everything you do, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.
Ooh. sell like Cinderella teens. You should see the things I finish inside these denim jeans. I can't associate with y'all this shit like ketamine. Been on one.